How to upload and post your first video on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for youtube.com. Make sure you are signed in to YouTube, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on the create option you see there at the top and then tap on the upload video option. Further tap on the select files option you see there and then go ahead and select the folder that you want to upload and then tap on the open option. Once the video has been uploaded successfully, go ahead and add in the details of your video. Start by entering the title followed by entering the description. You can also go ahead and add in the thumbnail to your video and then choose the playlist of your video. Once done, go ahead and select the audience and choose if the video is made for kids or not, and if it is age restricted or not. Once you've done this, tap on next and you will then be led to the video elements tab. So in this place, you can add related video if necessary, and if not, then simply tap on next. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, YouTube will check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing the video. So, once the check is complete, tap on next and you will be led to the visibility page. Here, you can go ahead and choose your audience, and if you want, you can also schedule your video and post it later automatically. Once done, tap on the save button and with this your post will be made. So this is how you can upload and post your first video on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.